Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use the jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out.
We're reaching out Mr. Wiggins. He's in custody.
Okay.
Hey folks, I'm Court Guy. Today's case features a young defendant who thought jail was the end of the line, but turns out it was just the beginning of a much bigger problem. While awaiting trial for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, he began using the jail phone to contact and even threaten the very victim he was ordered to stay away from. Not just once, but multiple times, even using other inmates' phone IDs to do it. Judge Fleischer doesn't take these things lightly, and what happens next is a full-on shutdown. All right then, let's get to court.
Sterling,
Yes.
whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Well, Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Have you alerted the felony courts?
I just found out about this. The deputy actually called all of us to let us know that this happened.
Guys. Oh,
I think you want me to do something, Judge?
yeah. Do you mind bringing up Mr. Wiggins, please? Sterling Wiggins. I'm going to take his phone privileges away now.
Okay, and Judge, these are serious allegations, but I need to point out that Mr. Wiggins is 19, and you're also taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
We told him not to do it. He's doing it. I mean, what else can we, I mean, pull the records. Is he trying to thwart it? You know, pull the phone records. If he's trying to thwart it, then you get him with an obstruction.
The deputy is going through Ferris to get transcripts of the calls, so we will have those transcripts soon. The deputy just called me and let me know that the defendant was contacting the complainant and her mother and saying that this is how you take care of things and that everybody violates their bond conditions. And
Let's hold on. Wait till he's out here so he can hear this. Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases where we've told you not to. Go ahead.
yes, Judge, the deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant and say things such as, this is how you take care of things, and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use the jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge,
He just told you.
Not even.
please stop.
So
And I just want to reiterate.
Please, go ahead.
He's
Yeah.
19, you are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's
I
making
understand.
additional threats allegedly,
I
you
didn't
know?
threaten anybody.
Okay, we're gonna get the records, but
Okay.
until I know that you're not a threat, I mean,
He's typing everything.
every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that. So why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. Because I'm gonna ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court, and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back, but there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you get out. I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, you know, and all that stuff gets so we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because I mean, it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
So I did do it. That's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. I mean, you know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. I mean, you got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Understand that. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say any.
he's
So-
typing everything
and then
you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand he's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said
Stop.
anything about it. Anything illegal.
So I guess let's do this. How long will it take you to get those records, do you think?
I'm actually not sure, Judge. I haven't requested jail calls before like that. Let me ask.
Hey, Steph, how long does it take to get jail calls?
We can put a request in, Judge, to our folks. It can take a little time. I've seen it take anywhere from 30 days to longer, but we can put in the request and see if we can rush it, especially if we have specific calls, which I'm guessing you do.
Yes, and the deputy has already, when I spoke to him, he said he was already gathering transcripts through theirs, so it might already be,
Okay, so let's do this. Let's put
Accelerated.
it on for next Friday.
yes, Judge.
Now, if you can get it quicker, let me know. We'll docket them quicker. And then we'll put it off for a week and then we'll come back in a week and we'll deal with the situation. But okay,
And Judge, I'm going to be out next week. I can appear on Zoom
okay,
for this. Okay,
absolutely. Yeah. All right. Thanks.
thank you. Can we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
And there you have it. Sometimes the courtroom isn't just about past behavior. It's about ongoing risk. Even from jail, Sterling Wiggins continued to cross the line. And Judge Fleischer, he drew the final one. What would you have done in this situation? Should jail phones be off limits the second someone abuses them? Let us know in the comments. And if you're into real courtroom drama and raw life lessons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. New cases every week. Until next time, this is Court Guy signing off.